Hello friends, hope you are all well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you an easy and quick breakfast recipe, that is sausage potato casserole. It's very simple to prepare and needs very few ingredients. So just keep watching and try this recipe at home. So for this preparation we need potatoes, and here I took 3 potatoes and boiled potatoes. Cut the potato in half away and you can boil it in pressure cooker or in a microwave. So now after that you just smash the potato. It's better to, when it's hot, smash that time, then there will be no chunks, potato chunks will be there. So now it's almost done. I just keep it aside, let it be little cool. By that time we will prepare the sausage for this preparation, and obviously I'll be using chicken sausage. If you want you can use other sausage also. So here is the sausage I'm going to use, and this sausage has bell pepper and capsicum onion with it, so it tastes little different than normal plain sausage and it makes the dish more tasty. So now we will fry this sausage and just add 2 to 3 spoon oil in this frying pan, and then add this frozen sausage. Before preparing this sausage you need to take out from the freezer a little early, and then it will become normal temperature, and then fry it. So I am using this 5 sausage for this preparation. These are already half cooked sausage, so we don't need to cook it for longer time. Just fry both sides until become little golden brown. So now I'm cutting this sausage because we will mix this sausage pieces with the potatoes, smashed potatoes. So yeah, cut it into small pieces and fry it for another 2 minutes, then it will be ready for mixing. So just cover it and cook it for another 2 minutes. And now make the smashed potato ready. So it's smashed already. We will add few more ingredients with it. First we will add little heavy whipping cream, or you can add any cream. So just add almost half a cup of heavy whipping cream in this potato. It will give a nice and smooth texture to these potatoes. So mix it, and next we will add some dried basil leaves. So if you have fresh basil at your home you can use that, just chopped, and add the fresh basil also. Now add little salt according to taste, not too much. So mix everything. Now we will add our next ingredient, that is cheese. So for this dish we need some shredded mozzarella cheese. So I am preparing this dish for 4 people, and for that I am using 3 big size potatoes and 5 sausages. So for that amount of breakfast preparation we will add 3 to 4 big spoon cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese. So if you want you can add little more cheese also. So minimum 3 to 4 spoon you have to add. Then finally we will add these fried sausage pieces and mix it well. Now we have to put the whole thing in a casserole. Casserole is an oven proof container, but if you don't have casserole you can use the Pyrex container or any oven proof container. So I am using this small Pyrex container, that is very convenient for me. So just put this whole mixture in it and make it smooth, and then we will spread some chili flakes, red chili flakes, and some more shredded mozzarella cheese. If you want you can add some herbs like basil or parsley, dried basil or dried parsley on top of this. And then we will cover this and put it in the oven, preheated oven, that is 420 Fahrenheit preheated oven, and cook it there for 20 minutes. So this is a breakfast dish and it's very easy to prepare. Why I'm telling this? Because if you prepare everything this previous day, just boil the potato, make the sausage ready, and mix everything together, put it in this container, keep it like this up to this much. You just prepare everything up to this much and keep in the fridge. And then next morning you can prepare your breakfast within 20 minutes. Just preheat your oven and put it in the oven, then it will prepare within 20 minutes. So that's why I'm saying it's very easy and quick breakfast, and it's very healthy breakfast too. So now we will put this in the preheated oven. And after 20 minutes it's almost done. What I will do next, I will not change the oven rack. I'll keep this container in the same rack, but just I will turn on the broil option. So just take the cover off and turn the broil option on. So just broil it in for 2 minutes maximum. So here is no minute option, mine is only high and low, so I put it in high for just 2 minutes. And just after 2 minutes take it out from the oven. Let it be little cool and then I will serve it. So it will take few more minutes. So here is our today's breakfast recipe. Easy, quick and healthy breakfast recipe. Sausage potato casserole is ready. Now cut it into pieces. It's very soft because of cheese and whipping cream and potato. So of course it will be very soft inside and very cheesy, smooth. So I hope you like this recipe. Please try it at home and leave your comments in my comments box. So thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.